kanhun ki nongshong wai dukan hapo ka building Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex ya ki belatip Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Association mentaga sngi ka sautrik jeliu kilayami ryntih lang ban pynkhuid ya ka saudong saukun bat ya ki kendong kencerot jong ka teka building ka ba ki jushong kamai kendoi jakpo man laga sngi ha kane ka program lawan masakilang do Deputy Commissioner Karibohoi District o Abilash Baranwal Kumukongsan ha ka jingedon lang o Assistant Engineer ka Urban Affair Uba SS Langsti, ba Pensyai Kharkongor District VVD Consultant Riboy District, ba Silver Star Mansong Rambash Nongga Nongpoh, harangkat ki nong yalam kateka association, ki ba kentup ya kong EUCM kum ka President, Marnga Secretary, ba pendap walang advisor lembat kiwe de.
Kindly clean their shutters as well, because shutters is something that is immediately visible. So that is my kind request. I have already requested your Shop Owners Association Secretary, you are Secretary, right, Babanda? Advisor. So that it is something that the Shop Owners Association should ensure that it happens. After that, I have also, basically my office is always open. Now that you have an association, whatever you need, if it is within our capacity, we'll make sure that it happens in the Muda complex. I completely agree with the lady, the Singh Longmi Nongpoh proper, when she said that the aspirations and the hopes which this Muda complex would have raised, they have not realized. जो aspirations ये सब था वो सब पूरा नहीं हुआ है, because it does not look like a proper well-lit market. We are doing whatever we can. We are trying to prevent leakage. We have provided you power backup, at least in the lighting and etc. with backup in the corridors and all. But लेकिन अभी बहुत लंबा सफर जाना है, so we'll ensure that whatever is needed we'll provide that. But simultaneously, we are also going to take some strong steps. For example, those who are not opening shops, this is something that I'll discuss with the Shop Owners Association also, that for every day, if anyone is not opening shop, we should impose some fine. Okay, that has to happen, even if it's a modest fine, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, but that has to happen. आप shop open नहीं कर रहा है, it does not look nice, there has to be a fine. Secondly, for all those people who are as of now subletting, my clear message to you, till 10th May, please listen to me, I'll speak in Hindi as well. Till 10th May, till 10th of June, you have the opportunity. After 10th June, we are going to check if the person in whose name the allotment is, if the concerned person is not there, we are going to cancel the allotment. As simple as that. No subletting is going to be allowed. Whatever the rent charges the government has fixed, pay that, operate the shop. If you cannot operate the shop, move away, give opportunity to the other entrepreneurs. Secondly, this is also a message to all those tenants who are currently leasing it out from those allottees. Let's say person A is the allotment owner, but person B is operating the shop by taking it on rent from person A. This is a message to all those tenants कि आप लोग अभी, as of now, you are paying higher charges to the actual allotment owner. You come to my office, or you come to Ba Sanjay, you come to Bala. This is your opportunity till 10th of June. You give your name, that I am the actual person who is operating the shop, will transfer the allotment in your name. As of now, what are the rent charges? 1100. 1100, right?
Yes, sir. It ranged from 1100.
1100, right? So let's say it starts from 1100, but you may be paying 2000 or 2500 to the actual owner. आप मेरे ऑफिस आओ, बाला के पास जाओ, बा संजय के पास जाओ, you go to them, you tell that this is a shop that I am operating, we are not going to take any action against the allotment owner, but will transfer the allotment to you. So that from your shop does not have to close, you only have to pay rupees 1100 or whatever are the actual government charges, and your shop will not close down. Because trust me on this, whether it is 10th June or maybe 15th June, something like that, but we are going to cancel all these subleasing, whatever is taking place. Because unless that is checked, the Muda complex aspirations will not realize.